Hi guys, so this is the division law of indices. So if you've seen the multiplication law already, which you probably should have, then this is pretty much just the opposite. So it's very, very simple again. If you look at the general rule up here, a to the power of n divided by a to the power of m equals a to the power of n minus m. So all it means when you've got two is that when you've got two numbers with the same base raised to different powers divided, then you can just subtract the two powers. So let's look at example 1 here. 2 to the power of 4 divided by 2 to the power of 1. So because both bases are a 2 in each case, I can use this rule. If one of them wasn't a 2, then you couldn't use it. Well, I mean, if they had different bases, you couldn't use it. But because they do, I can just do 2 to the power of, and then I can just subtract my two powers. So I can do 4 minus 1. So 4 minus 1 is 3, so 2 to the power of 3. So 2 to the power of 4 divided by 2 to the power of 1 is the same thing as 2 to the power of 3. Second example, I'm going to subtract my powers again. So 3 to the power of minus 3. And because it's a divide in the middle, it's going to be minus, and then that's just a positive 2, so it's going to be minus positive 2 or minus 2. So that's the same thing as 3 to the power of minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5, so minus 5. So 3 to the power of minus 3 divided by 3 to the power of 2 is 3 to the power of minus 5. So here's two more. If you want to just look at them or try them quickly, you can just pause the video and then play it on and I'll go through the answers for you. So the first one, it's going to be 3 to the power of 3 minus 4. So just be careful, it's not 1, it's going to be minus 1. So 3 to the power of minus 1. The second one, just watch carefully, you might make a mistake here because it's divided in the middle, you have to subtract the two powers. So it's going to be 3 to the power of minus 3, but then we have to subtract minus 6. So it's like we're taking away minus 6. So it's actually minus 6. So that might be a little bit confusing if you're not sure of your negative numbers. But when a minus and a minus comes together, that becomes a plus. So it's going to be 3 to the power of minus 3 plus 6. So minus 3 plus 6 would actually be positive 3. So it would be 3 to the power of positive 3. So that was an extra little tricky bit in there, but it's no harm to see it.